In 1947, Mac Brazel found wreckage on his ranch 75 miles north of Roswell, New Mexico. The wreckage included rubber strips, tinfoil which opened back up after crumpling it, thick paper, and purple I-beams with hieroglyphics on it. He brought the wreckage material to Sheriff Wilcox, who then took it to Colonel Blanchard and Major Marcel of the Roswell Air Force Base. Major Marcel brought some of the material to his son, Jesse Marcel Jr., who would go on to write the Roswell Legacy book, stating that the material was not from this earth. On July 8th, the Roswell Air Force 509th Bomb Squadron stated that they attained a flying saucer. The following day, the newspaper ran a story, but the Army officials reversed their claims, stating that it was only a weather balloon. An FBI document was released which states that a flying disc was discovered and it was flown to Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio. The cover story that it was only a weather balloon was notified as bogus in 1994 when the Air Force said that it was actually a Russian spy balloon, but because Project Mogul was going on at the time, they could not release that information. In 1997, they also stated that no alien bodies were actually found at the crash site, only test dummies. President Hoover is also documented with sending a letter saying that the Army seized the flying disc, and a press conference with Colonel DuBois, Roger Ramey, and Jesse Marcel. Two of the three are videotaped saying that the original story of Roswell is real, and Edgar Mitchell of the Apollo 14 mission states that the Roswell wreckage material is not from Earth origin, and the Roswell story is true. There's a lot of conspiracy and theories about the Roswell incident, but there's a lot of evidence also that points to there actually being a crash, that there was a disc of UFO obtained and sent to an Air Force or a Black Project site base, and most likely for reverse engineering technology. It's unlikely that we're going to get that information directly told to us from the Air Force or the Pentagon, or from